Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw an easy Naruto. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our easy Naruto, let's begin by drawing the bottom of the headband. I'm going to begin right here, and I'm just going to make a line that's just going to curve across like this. Next, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down and then up. And same thing here, we're just going to go down and then up for some hair. Starting here, I'm going to go down. I want to bring this down and then up and come right up to here. Next, I'm going to make a half circle shape on each side for the ears. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to come up and down. And then I'll do the same thing over here. I'm just going to bring this up and then down. I'm going to bring this down here on each side. And then I'm going to bring it up just a little bit, just kind of curve it up. I'm going to bring this up and then back over, just making it a little bit darker. Do the same thing here, up, and we're just going to bring it back over to here, make it kind of darker. Then inside of here, I'm going to draw a great big oval shape inside each one. So we're just going to make this great big oval shape. Then I'm going to draw a circle inside each eye. And then I'm going to make a tall oval shape inside of each one for the pupil. So I'm just going to draw this tall oval shape right inside of here for the pupils. Next, we're going to draw a line that's going to come down and up for the eyebrow. And then same thing here, just kind of go down and then up. I'm going to make a little curved line for the nose. And then right here, I'm going to draw a line across. And then a line's just going to go down and then up here. We're going to make a line that's going to go down, over, and up for the teeth. And then a little sad face here for the tongue. And I like to just go ahead and color this part in real quick. Now let's work on the bandana. Now let's work on the bandana. Let's just bring this line up on each side. I'm going to bring a line that's going to come down and up. And then same thing, we're just going to go down and then up. We're going to make another one that's going to go down and up. And one more here, down and up. And then right across here. We're going to make a line that's going to come out on each side. And then we're going to bring it in on each side. Make another one that's going to come out and in. We're going to go out and in. We'll go out and in again. Out and in again. And then we're just going to go up and down, and then up and down. Now, right here, I'm going to draw a line across. 2 lines down. And then another line across. I'm going to put 3 dots on each side. Then I'm going to make a line that's going to go down, and I'm going to curl it around and make a little triangle shape on the side. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down and then up. And then I'm going to draw a line that comes down on each side. Let's draw a line across here for the bottom. And then let's make another line right across here. Starting here, I'm going to make a line down. And then an extra line on each side here. We're going to make a line that's going to come in and then down for part of his jacket. Same thing here, we're going to go in and then down. For his arms, we're just going to bring this line down and over. And we'll do the same thing over here, just bring this line down and then over. We'll draw a line that's just going to curve down and up, and same thing here, down and up to form the hands. I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down on each side to start the legs. I'm going to bring this line in on each side. Then I'll bring this line up on each side with a line across. I'll make a little line that's going to come out and then back in. And same thing here, we're going to go out and bring it back in. We'll make a line right across the bottom of each one. And then I'm going to make two lines coming right across here. Then we'll draw a line that's going to go out, down, and in. Right here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down and up for his hair. And then same thing here, down and up. And then I'm going to make a little wiggly line that's just going to go out and come back. Same thing here, it's just going to go out and come back. Then right here, I'm going to draw 3 little lines on each side of the face. We'll do 1, 2, and then 3. And there you go, there's your drawing of an easy Naruto. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed.